Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Thursday, yes, it's still Thursday, April the 25th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Those puzzles are very easy to solve, both. I need 30 minutes to solve. It's now time for the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 out of 7 I will solve. Yeah, there are 7 puzzles, but 4 of them I will solve. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, so, and besides, I've done these 3 regular puzzles, so that's a lot for a day. Okay, what's the news of today? Well, the question is, will the US ban the TikTok app? Because in the US Congress, they are discussing about the TikTok app. Yeah, the TikTok app is a Chinese app, and they're collecting data from US users, and they are using it commercial. Yeah, they don't want the Chinese app. Anyway, there are a lot of users of the TikTok app, but we are using now YouTube. Yeah. Anyway, let me start with this one. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8425. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 16, I think it's a 1 star or maybe a 2 stars puzzle. For a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, well, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 1 star, 2 stars, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. A lot of single boxes here. Here, single box, here, and there. Always a 1. Here 1, there 1, here 1, and there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Oh no, here the second one. 1 and the 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here the 1 and the 2, well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 2, so that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, yeah, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, alright, then. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. We have only 2 of them. Yeah, no, 3 of them. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, then the following shape. How about the Z construction? Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, the Z construction. Only one. Then the following shape, how about the L shape upside down? We have the L shape upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. You have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, construction, or structures, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So, let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 3. Can it be 3? So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then let me see. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Is also connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, can it be 4? We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. And this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 3. Okay. And now. No. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Now, let me think. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be a 4, we have a double 4 there, and can be a 5, yes, definitely a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Alright. And now, let me go up. Yeah. I think this box should be a 1. Because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and 3. Cannot feel this yet. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5 now. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Alright. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 2 should be there. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Wow. Solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. Yeah, I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the extra puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.